Oh, howdy, y'all. It's me again. I'm here early in the morning at Island Beach State Park, one of the most beautiful places in New Jersey. Not a fishing trip today. I actually got here real early in the morning to potentially witness the peak of the Bootid Meteor shower, or Boetid. It's in the region of the sky northeast, in the direction of the constellation with the same name, Boetes, Bootes. Within the constellation Boetes, there is a region of space that's called Boetes Void. So Boetes Void, it's a region of space that is just that. It's a void. There's hardly any stars there. So the Boetes Void, or Great Nothing, is a massive, nearly empty region of space about 330 million light years across, located in the constellation Boetes, containing far fewer galaxies than expected, around 60 instead of 2,000. Discovered in 1981, it's a prime example of a cosmic void, which are the vast empty spaces between the filaments of the cosmic web, formed as matter clumped together after the Big Bang. Yeah, Big Bang. Give us one miracle, we'll explain the rest. Big Bang. Its extreme emptiness challenges our understanding of cosmic structure, though it's believed to have formed from the merging of smaller voids. It's 700 million light years from Earth. And as I said, it's 330 million light years across. Just mind-blowing. It contains only about 60 galaxies, mostly concentrated in a tube-like structure, whereas a region this size should have about 2,000. So it is now the day after yesterday, or tomorrow, in a lake in the New Jersey Pine Barrens. I spent the last 4.5, 5 hours laying in this ditch to see the Boetid meteor shower. This thing makes a great pillow, by the way. I started in this ditch way up here and wriggled all the way down until my back felt good. I found the most comfortable spot to lay it. Again, I think it's time to go. Cook some food. Got rice, salmon, scallops, chives, thyme, rosemary. Oh, it's gonna be good. And a lot of butter, of course.